Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 13th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any company among 45,000 worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of January, 2025, our system has ranked QQQ as a strong buy candidate, awarding it a score of 6.05. Now let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this period. The ETF has experienced a gain of 2.69%. This equates to an average return of 0.21% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a modest upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend points to a possible change of approximately 3.24% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from negative 1.53% to positive 5.84%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 22.32% over the next year, with potential returns fluctuating between 11.24% and 26.45%. This would equate to a price range of approximately $596.10 to $677.57 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ features the headline, QQQ ETF upgraded to strong buy candidate. The QQQ ETF price increased by 1.43% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 13th of February, 2025. It rose from $528.30 to $535.86. During this trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.32%, ranging from a low of $529.19 to a high of $536.20. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 2.45% over the past 2 weeks. Furthermore, there was an increase in trading volume on the last day, which is a positive technical indicator, with 4 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 28 million shares changed hands for approximately $14.98 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $530.15, while the lowest price was $413.07. Currently, the price is 0.61%. or $3.29 below the 52-week high of $539.15, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments surrounding the QQQ exchange-traded fund highlight a dynamic market landscape with significant implications for both short-term and long-term stock performance. Notably, financial services are emerging as a key area for artificial intelligence adoption, suggesting that companies within the NASDAQ 100 could see increased valuations due to the integration of AI technologies. This trend positions QQQ favorably as investors gravitate toward tech-heavy indices, signaling potential price appreciation. Moreover, the strategy of hedging QQQ with tools like the PSQ Exchange-Traded Fund comes into play in today's volatile market. Investors are increasingly recognizing the importance of risk management. This aligns with predictions of a heightened pace of AI-related spending, suggesting that stocks included in QQQ could experience growth as businesses ramp up their tech investments. Furthermore, a recent analysis advocated QQQ as the best exchange-traded fund for investors looking to capitalize on market trends, which reinforces positive sentiment toward the fund. The notable influx of over $100 billion into exchange-traded funds during January 2025 also reflects a robust bullish attitude among investors, bolstering the overall demand for QQQ. High-profile investment moves, such as a significant increase in QQQ holdings by Juniper Hill Capital Management, further underline tech's attraction. This heightened commitment reflects confidence in a continued upward trend for the sector, providing a solid foundation for potential price gains. Collectively, these factors position QQQ for strong short and long-term growth, underscoring its appeal as a cornerstone in investor portfolios. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. Today's chart shows mostly positive signals. The QQQ exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is anticipated at levels of $528.61 and $521.39. A drop below either of these thresholds would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, January 14, 2025, and thus far the price has increased by 6.09%. Further upward movement is expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical indicator. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots signaled a buy opportunity 22 days ago. Bollinger Bands provided a buy signal just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average issued a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average also generated a sell signal 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 9 days ago. Upon examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average gave a sell signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 108 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQ finds support from accumulated volume at $521.74. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the associated risk is considered very low. Over the last day, the fund fluctuated by $7.01 between its high and low, which represents 1.32%. In the past week, the average daily volatility of the fund has been 1.21%. Before we explore potential trading levels for QQQ, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This vital metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either diminished expectations for the company's future or that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $538.17. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $521.74. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $504.90, reflecting a decrease of 5.78%. This exchange-traded fund experiences very low daily fluctuations, resulting in minimal risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 21 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment option? The QQQ ETF exhibits several positive indicators and is currently within a slightly rising trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we believe it is a favorable choice at these levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis has been upgraded from a buy to a strong buy for this ETF since the last evaluation. However, after assessing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Friday, February 14th, we expect the QQQ ETF to open lower by $2.11, starting at $533.75. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. Here is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.